Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit an invitation template. You can double-click on each text box to edit the text. There are two ways to edit the text with different colors. First option is to type each new letter after the existing letters and then delete the existing letters. The second option is to select each letter individually, then click on the text color button and choose the new color. Click on the gray background to close the text color menu. Click on the Share button to download the completed design. If you want to share the completed design digitally, you can choose the PNG file to download it as an image. If you want to print the completed design, you can choose PDF print type file. It has the best resolution for printing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.